Hi everyone, it's Ron here again from Ronovationz. We're a property coaching group. We will help you and everybody else to get into the property world. But of course, that's not automatic with everyone. And I know people like yourselves are listening to me today. Are you right for the property world and property investing, or are you not? Look, it's hard to say whether you are or not. And obviously the best thing to do is just talk to myself, talk to one of my coaches, to see that we can help you. The big issue is obviously, are you able to invest in property? Do you have the funds? Do you have mum and dad if you don't have? These are resources. Have you talked to a bank manager? Have you talked to a mortgage broker? These are big ifs to get over. Once you got over that stage, the next one is, do you have the personality to be a property person or property investor? Can you cope with tenants? Can you deal with real estate agents? Are you a good negotiator? Are you not a good negotiator? Are you good with numbers? Are you not good with numbers? These are all big ifs to the making of a successful property investor. And that's why so many people out there who just don't even know the locality, the districts, anything. There are a lot of investors from offshore and outside of Auckland who just don't know. And that is why if you start investing and you don't know these things, then you're gambling. Don't gamble, invest. But investing means you need to know what's behind it. So the only way you can overcome this don't know is to come and talk to me. Give me a ring on 021 888 298, and I'll be able to have a good conversation, a cup of coffee, you pay by the way, and we can just talk about, can you or can't you? It's so easy. But the success rates of most of my students who have come on board is 100%. Do you want to be one of those 100%? Let me help you. Don't take the taxi driver advice, because free advice may be the most expensive in the end. So don't mind to get professional help. You spend money on going to university, you spend money giving up a career, you spend your life doing whatever, going overseas to learn. Hey, what's a cup of coffee to learn whether you can do it or not? Cheers.